Here she is. Pull her up into the garage. Just gotta throw her straight in reverse. I gotta plop her in here sideways. Alrighty, you guys. As you could probably tell, I haven't been posting for, I'd say a couple months since my latest video. There's a couple reasons being that I actually did get into a car accident with this exact car right here. It is my F30 335i. So this is kind of like a story time video. I'll kind of go over what happened, how it happened, and also show you guys pictures and video throughout this video. Alright, so first, obviously, I just want to go over pretty much how it happened. They say every time you get in an accident, it happens within 1 mile of your house, and that has never failed me or my family with their car accidents. And mine was literally right down the street from our house here. So I was kind of going just as normal, straight down my neighborhood road. I have no stop signs, no yield signs, none of that. I can just go straight with no interruptions all the way to the other end of the neighborhood. But every road going in to that main street that I was on has a yield sign and or a stop sign. If there's a car coming, you have a yield sign. It pretty much is a stop sign until they go through. I just kept on going straight, and the first intersection I came up to, I think it was a Honda Civic, just came flying down the road, slid right into the middle of the intersection. It was kind of a snowy day, so I understand why she kind of slid, but she pulled out right in front of me, and I ended up smacked her right in front fender here, is the driver's side, obviously, because I was coming from the main entrance of the neighborhood. I'll go ahead and pop in a couple videos and pictures here. So there wasn't really any severe damage, I would say. I needed a whole new front bumper, I needed new grills, headlights were good. So I got a whole new front bumper, new kidney grill inserts. I have the like 360 cameras and everything like that. So every single sensor, every single camera, all of that stuff have been replaced up front. So pretty much new bumper, new cameras, new sensors, and then I also had the windshield wiper cleaners. The headlight sprayers kind of in my bumper, so those also needed to be replaced. And then being that the camera broke, they needed to recalibrate the 360 camera system, obviously, or else it would be off. This in this envelope is everything that the repair shop gave to us. I'd say pretty thick. Alrighty, so obviously they had to replace the front bumper cover assembly, which was $780. The front bumper distance sensor and parking sensors. They obviously did the recalibration of the cameras. They got the new front tow hook cover. The bumper support actually behind the bumper. They got the upper and the lower bumper support. They also got a new emblem on the bumper itself. The right and left front side marker assemblies, those had to be replaced. Those were about 30 bucks a piece. The cooling return hose, she actually snapped one of the hoses within the engine bay, which I don't know how that would work. It's a first gen F30, so it's getting to the older age where stuff just kind of gets frail and brittle and starts to break. Just one of the coolant return line hoses snapped off, so they replaced that. That was about $45. And they also did the air duct guides. So I have air ducts that go through my bumper, that bring air over the wheel, just to kind of make it more aerodynamic. So those were kind of all out of whack. So they had to replace those. Painted it, color matched it. That was $119. The recalibration of the 360 camera was $250. Luckily, I didn't have to pay for any of this. Obviously, because it was her fault, she was liable. Pretty much almost 100% for the damages, because she blew right through a yield sign right in front of me. It's pretty much just more general stuff. They did an alignment, stuff like that, but that wasn't caused from the accident. That was just something I needed. Other than that, you guys saw the pictures, you guys saw the videos. That'll kind of explain why I haven't took the car out for about 2 to 3 weeks. So that's why I haven't been able to do any videos. I'm going to do a couple videos very soon here. An easy way to clean your valves at home, because this is an older BMW, so it's getting up to the higher mileage mark, so I'm up around 90,000 now. Those valves pretty much just, you should probably clean them almost every oil change. If not, you can go longer, it would be fine, but some people recommend it after every oil change, some people recommend every 10,000 to 15,000 miles. I've never done it, so I found a super cheap way to do that compared to walnut blasting and stuff like that, which you just have to buy a ton of parts for and kind of custom fab a couple things for that, for your vacuum and stuff. So if you guys want to see an easy valve cleaning video, you can do it from your house. The only thing you need is your mass airflow sensor cleaner and obviously your valve and turbo cleaner. Want to see that video? Go ahead and drop a like or a comment. That's why I haven't been posting. I was kind of in an accident there, so that would obviously kind of halt my video making for a couple weeks. So if you guys enjoyed the video, please like, comment, and subscribe. If you want to see the cleaning video, go ahead and like, comment if you want to see that. Otherwise than that, have a good one.